arms low beneath my feet. Red rock giants where the sky and stone meet. A whisper of wind carries secrets untold. In the garden of gods where stories unfold. Step by step, the world turns wide. Every path a wonder, no place to hide. Under the sun, where the shadows glide, I wander with the mountains as my peaks, they pierce the air. A place so timeless, beyond compare. I see the shapes that nature drew. Ancient hands painted every hue. The sky wears its endless blue, and I wear this moment too. Step by step, the world turns wide. Every path a wonder, no place to hide. Under the sun, where the shadows collide.